In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing panzanella salad, but with a twist. So the first thing I did was cut about 12 ounces of sourdough into 1-inch chunks, put them in a big bowl here, coated it in some olive oil and salt and pepper and garlic, and I'm going to lay it out on a baking pan here at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes until toasted but still soft on the inside. Next, I'm going to take this 1 pound of the multicolored cherry tomatoes and cut them all in half lengthwise. So now what you want to do is just sprinkle it generously with some salt, mix it up, and then let this set for like a good 15 minutes to let the juices drain down into the bottom of the bowl. Alrighty, the bread's all toasted, so we can move on to the next step now. So if you're wondering what the twist is in this recipe, it's going to be these. Yes, we're going to be working with the zucchini next. Now in a heated skillet with oil hot, I put all the zucchini in and I'm going to toast it till it's golden on both sides. While the zucchini is cooking, I'm going to make up the dressing. I think what makes this salad over the top is to add the basil, the mint, and parsley. We're getting ready to go to an event, and this is why I'm taking this today, and I'm super excited because I know everyone's gonna love it. Now we are ready to assemble our salad. So first what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put our large bowl down here, and we're going to dump the juice from our tomatoes in here, and then we'll add our salad dressing that we made. Get that all in there. Give that a little stir. Now we're going to add our toasted bread. Then we're going to stir all that up and let it get a little bit soft for a few minutes. Basil, parsley, and mint.